I just wanted to come here to make a special announcement and a special giveaway for those who are interested in locking down their Black Friday flying upload deal. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I just wanted to make a special announcement about a deal which is going on right now, a Black Friday deal. Flying Upload is offering a Black Friday deal where if you purchase the Print on Demand plus KDP yearly bundle or yearly package, which you can get for 40% off now with the code Black Friday right here. If you purchase this deal or this bundle, you can get, which is their new research tool. Once you purchase the whole bundle, you're gonna get Flying Research, which just came out a few days ago, and you're also gonna be entered for a chance to get a refund. So let me tell you more about Flying Research. So Flying Research, if you've watched my video about the review I made about Merch Informer, it is similar to Merch Informer, but the main difference between Flying Research and Merch Informer is that Flying Research has KDP research in it. So it has both print on demand merch and print on demand KDP in it. So that's the major difference between the two. So you can research print on demand designs, you can research KDP designs, you can do your trademark checks, and there are various tutorials. You also have the upload tool, as well as you can go to the community, which is Discord, and ask questions if you ever need help. So I just want to quickly show you how or the benefits of having Flying Research. So if you come here, you can see bestsellers once you click on it. So once you click on it, you can change the marketplace if you want to, or you can change the product you're searching for. You can also search for KDP right here, KDP bestsellers, or you can also search for hoodies, t-shirts, and you can also sort by reviews, BSR, price, and the rest. So that's not the only tool they has. This one is for the bestsellers tool. If you come here to the left, you see inspired merch by Amazon. So if you click it, you will see designs which you can get inspiration from. These designs are from Merch by Amazon. This Get Inspired POD is for all the other platforms. This one, as you can see, is Redbubble. You can get inspired from Redbubble. That means you don't have to go to Redbubble to search for designs to get inspiration from. You can just come here and they're going to pull designs that are worth inspiring you. So let's go to the next niche list. These are very profitable niche, and you can also get inspiration from niches like this. So it's a very huge list of niches that are very profitable for your print on demand businesses. So you can also search for products, you can also search for favorites. For trademark search, you can search, you can do your trademark search right from here, or you can do it directly from the tool, the upload tool. Those are two ways that you can do it. You can also search for registered trademarks, and you can also put a word that you want to watch it. If you're suspecting that a word will soon be trademarked and you want to put it on your watch list, you can just come here, click it, add the word that you want to put in the watch list. So what I'm going to do is watch that word, and if ever it becomes trademark, they're going to alert you to change the word on the design you had uploaded. This will prevent your design from being taken down and also your account from being banned. This is just a quick overview of Flying Research. It's an all-in-one tool you ever need for your print on demand merch and KDP businesses. And Flying Upload, which is the upload automation tools for all the print on demand platforms. Flying Upload is giving Flying Research free this Black Friday. They're offering this deal. So the deal, like I told you before, is for you to purchase the print on demand and KDP yearly package, which you can get for 40% off right now with the code Black Friday. And if you purchase this bundle, you'll get flying research for free, and you'll also be entered to win a special giveaway where you can get a refund for your purchase. So, guys, this is a one time deal, it's not gonna last for long. Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals will soon be over. So, if you're interested in locking down this deal, all the links are found in the description below. If you haven't watched the video for the Black Friday deals for all the other print on demand tools you ever need in your print on demand businesses, I will put a link. A link is going to pop on your screen right now. You can click it and watch it. And I'm also going to put a link to that video in the description. Or you could just watch this video right here. It's very short, it's just a minute 55 seconds. Just watch it and you're going to get an overview of all the Black Friday deals that are available right now. If you found value, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Just hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.